Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my basic dip application with my non-dominant hand as well as my filing routine for my natural nails. So let's get right into the video. My nails have been already cleaned and prepped and I'm using my Cherael bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. This dehydrates the nails in preparation for my dip application. Now I apply my Unt peel off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step and then I wait for it to dry fully. So usually I roll or mix the powders to ensure that the powders are loosened. This makes it nice and fluffy and ensures a better dip application. I usually do it off camera, but sometimes I forget to do it, but it is recommended you do it. Now for the application, I like to work with less base liquids, so I wipe most of the base off of the brush to get a thin layer. Thin application ensures that you get thin layers. Then I dip into the dip powder and dust off the excess, and then I repeat on all of my nails. It takes a lot of practice to get a neat application using your non-dominant hand. Sometimes I still mess up because my hand sometimes has a mind of its own and wouldn't cooperate, and the nails come out not of its best. So don't be too hard on yourself, just do your best. And also some people use an orange wood stick around the cuticle area. That also helps, but I don't do that. I would just file when I'm ready. And I wasn't able to see everything I was doing since I had to stay in frame while doing this, so it was a little difficult to see everything. I had to do a third layer off camera just to pick up all of the places that I missed while on camera. Usually on the right hand side there, I'm not able to see exactly where the base brush is going, so sometimes I miss areas on those sides right there. So I did a third layer just because of that. A tip I would say is to get close to the cuticle without touching your skin. Some people take orange wood sticks, as I said before, and run it around the cuticle line so you get a cleaner look. But I've never really done that, but it is a good idea to do so, especially as a beginner. Sometimes you wouldn't be able to get too close to the cuticle and not apply base on the cuticle. So yeah. So then I brush off the excess from the nail, and now I'm going to encapsulate using Pro Dip Clear Dip powder. I did one layer. This step is necessary because it gives the nail strength and protects the colored dip powder that you're using. The reason I'm doing this basic dip application and filing routine is because starting from today, I'll be uploading dip nail designs and maybe some gel application videos on my natural nails. So this video would be what I'll refer to in most of my natural nails videos. I hope you're excited for Thursday Manis. I don't know how often I'll be uploading on Thursdays. It may or may not be every Thursdays. So I'd say look out for it, but I'll also say don't be mad if there's no video on Tuesdays. Now I'm going to activate using my double dip activator. I applied a generous amount of activator to the nails, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. So I use my hand file alone when I'm filing my natural nails. I don't use an e-file for this. I have more control when I use my hand file. So I'm just tapering the size of the nails because it's a bit too wide. So that's what I'm doing right here. Then I go over the nail as well, doing a rounded motion. So seeing that I'm using my non-dominant hand, I let my dominant hand do all the work while the non-dominant hand is just there, you know, guiding it along the way. So that's really what I do. And then I filed the cuticle area to remove any bulk that's left at the cuticle area. Then I taper in the tip area of the nail to create a kind of ballerina shape on the free edge, and really that's it. It probably takes me about 15 minutes to file my natural nails. It's way easier than doing it with tips. So I'll let you guys look at the rest of my filing and I'll be back shortly. Now I apply more activator to the nails. Then I remove the excess with a paper towel. So I'm applying my double dip top coat. So I place my first coat with 3 quick strokes on the nails and then I wait for it to dry. I like using the double dip top coat because this is the second dip powder top coat that comes close to the shine that I get using gel polish. The first one is Rossi top coat, so both of them are really nice top coats. Then I went in with my second coat. My brush applicator got a bit hard and that is because it got into contact with some activator. I probably didn't clean the nails very well with my paper towel. Now I apply my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and here is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!